and ha umpuisa Zulu umpuisa selo se se simple man a o so nkopa dindwango ya no ai ntatlile man
Also, yeah, swimming pool. Welcome everyone. I'm back with another video, exciting one. Please like, comment, and share. Engage, please.
Hi, sorry.
Hello.
Hi, Somja.
Good day, Wana.
Shab, I saw you from down there and I thought you were really cute.
Mm.
Just thought I could introduce myself. My name's Lou.
Hello, my name is...
Yeah. My name is...
Yeah. Oh, I already
Hi, this one,
No, but
labafana bahle ngize kubona yabo laba bahle laba bazazi ukuthi yami ngiyashisa
ngiyasinaka
umuntu acela imali eyinwele nenzipho kodwa wabona kahle ukuthi nahlangana kuyi-meeting yama-food parcels wabona kahle ukuthi siyasokola sobabili la siyahlupheka sahlangana kuyi-meeting yama-food parcels amantombazane ngatanjani nizizondelani kangaka nizizondelani hayi suka man shit yayi futhi nina
bengibukele leya movie leya istraw ayikhalisi leya movie leya ikhalisa uma ungazi ubaba umntwana ukuphi yabona mina nje senikhaliswa istress nje eish.
Hey, wakhuluphala kangaka. Bafethu ngesitale phela singakhuluphali. Ngoba silala sidlile. Nani niphinde nisidlise emaphushweni. Niphinde nisidlise emaphushweni silala sidlile ngapha. Esihlale ke singakhuluphali. Benithi kuyoba njani kodwa umuntu ongathi dabula. Dabula ngakhuluphali nje. Dabula maphengwane. Yasondla phela nini. Nasiphekele ebusuku. Nisidlise.
Umuntu akanikeze imiliyoni lakhe ayihlulekele yena. Ingalokho iza ngama-370.
Imiliyoni lakhe.
Bebivuka sikhuluma.
Imiliyoni lakhe.
Yo, hayi umuntu angeke azakuthola ukuphumula lana. Yo, hayi.
Why uganga?
Guys, hello bolela rena English, lo bolela English lo bona kare e le gane re swanetse. Guys, na skolo tse re itse na re tla le magong skolong ka la bone bana. So lo bolela iskhwasi lo re it is slow measure like borena. Hayi yo tranquility king into. Ila ka metsi.
Tranquility ke vitamin
tranquility
water.
King.
Vitamin water baba.
Yaloma.
Nakutlo Limpopo kantsaka.
No, mina ngikhoze Champagne Street or ama-Estrophers. Kusho isigebengu bese sicovela sona ngokwaso umqombothi siphuza lento ya-pineapple ye-COVID.
Imbamba.
Nina
Niphuze.
ku-black mampati leni anisipha mahala mina anginazi nashintshwa yini anginazi nje ngempela angazi ukuthi ubani lowo wanona nje inhliziyo zenu ukuthi mase nisiphile sekufuneka imali engathi yisodwa sizibumnandi anginazi nje angazi nje ngempela
Nakithi ubuka kangitato.
ngikhala hada ne thina sithu siqume ngaphakathi
kodwa imali sifuna yona. Hayi.
No, please sit down, Joe.
Okay, baby, all right?
Yeah, I'm good. It's just, I'm sorry about what I'm gonna tell you now.
Okay.
But I didn't want you to hear this from the streets, Joe. I wanted you to hear it from the horse's mouth. Now you understand? Maybe I cheated, Joe. Yo. And the way it hurts me inside because I can't sleep at night, understand, Joe? Because I know about the betrayal. You understand? And I am sorry. And if you want to break up with me and you don't love me anymore, it's fine. Because I deserve it. You understand, Joe?
How could you?
Joe, I'm sorry and I love you, Joe. Yo, that's what forgive, Joe.
Yo, fireman, hayi fondini induthu yala mntana Amanda inkulu nyani fondini.
Hayi ne my boy ke baba yasef and preach go for me.
Hayi akho we fireman. But singa mama na utyam khokho ndifuna ufonela nje lo mntana uMegan quick yabo. Hello Megan Scatterboy. What the fuck? Man Megan, why you always wanna fluke? I'll take. You must have a girlfriend, right? So lost dating man. Lester and I love you fondini.
Dog, it's wrong what you're doing.
Khawume njani soon fonela uMapola quick.
Mapola Megan.
Mapola. Yo siyaking batho. Yeah, man wena ke a gopola Jose. Ke busy ubatla ini. I know it's fine. Ke tla ubhelela ngom so arabe iphone man.
Dog, hi, this is wrong. Hello? You are cheating on your girlfriend, bro.
Hayibo mfethu ndisefonini.
No, fuck you, dog. Hello? I'm telling your girlfriend, bro.
Hayi man fire suba yiwusi man.
Akukhona hali shem all together. Not to mention taba ya gogo ana ba gaetso ya go robala go boyfriending ya 21 years. Ho be monate go boyfriending ebe a leba le di false teeth tsa hae le dipilisi tsa tsa marapo. The following day upload the status ba gaetso a setse ka bikini ko Facebook a re what the night or tsisa ka batho ene o motho moholo. You are old enough as I speak. Hape motho ke bollang ka ena o ba gaetso. She's a whole centenarian. Nthabiseng taba hao a se yona e ke tletseng mosese ya abortions sa week in week out. Ebe ba wirelo le abortion party batho ba di abortion ka calling regular ka teng a o sesi o tlhabisa ka. And then you are the whole vice-marian ke ntho mborang ka wena mama. Taba ya hao ya wirela baruti ba o tlolang le bona di tennis biscuit ka Nescafe Gold mohai e ka se bereke sesi. And then mohai a se mo Nescafe please ke o khopela. And then ntho mborang ka wena you are the whole quinquagenarian. Papa anke o tswelle molomo o wa hao o moholo wa chompo matrisiwa
ikuhluphi impukane iloku idlalele ekhanda iloku indizele ekhanda lakho uzozibuza ukuthi hawo le mpukane kade ngifunani kanti inkinga ukuthi ucabanga amasimba inkinga ukuthi ucabanga uthufa.
Hello baby girl, how are you? I'm fine. Who's this? No, this is the young, cute, old man you saw today at the mall. Oh my gosh, what do you want from me, old man? Did you receive the little something I sent inside your bank account? Oh my gosh, did you send the 5,000 rand? That was my last 5,000 rand. I told you give me your number and I will show you I'm serious. And you're very beautiful. I love your body. It's very patite, so... That's so sweet. Yes. Listen, my wife and kids are going for the weekend away. So when can I see you? When will you come over?
Block.
Network.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice.
See ya.
Your call.
Ngoba sokudola thina manje ama love songs awasaphumi sesicula bo isakala vutha sakala vutha sakala yey.
Guys, ayikho into enzima njengokuba i-upcoming DJ esikhathini samanje shem. Ngoba like ukhona ukubhukhwana ngama please call abo please call ozodlala yabona into ezinjalo. Mara yazini mina ngikho lapho bengithi nje ladies ngicela nihliseni isikalo senu sokumixa iswasho man please because manje siyathuthumela bakumele sinishele yabona
isaka liyavuma.
Mina ningizwe kahle ne anginankinga nomuntu othi sidudla
sukuma sibo
umuntu othi sidudla nginankinga naye yabona uyimosha masuthi mafehle fehle sidudla mafehle fehle 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 kuyayini fehle for what mangazibulala ile fehle kwa ngale kwalokho yini fehle
No, don't do
yeah
it.
asikhulumeni ngalo fehle ki
Ke surname. Name and surname Stula Mafehlefehle. Kadlala. Thanks for making it this far, guys. Please like and comment. Engage, guys. I will respond to your comments. Azish.
Welule mali amantombazane wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda mali wenoneke mali amantombazana wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda welule mali amantombazane wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda mali wenoneke mali amantombazana wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda mali uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ntombazane uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ntombazane Welulimali amantombazane wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda mali wenoneke mali amantombazana wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda welulimali amantombazane wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda mali wenoneke mali amantombazana wenzani ukhanga wena uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ntombazane uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ntombazane uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ndoda uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza wenzani ukhanga wena ntombazane uyasetshenzwa hamba usebenza